Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the unboxing of Symmetry series case from Otterbox for the Samsung S9 Plus. So guys, these are the three cases and I'm going to be doing a giveaway for two of these. Stay tuned till the end for more information. Now with that said, let me quickly unbox all these cases. So the first one is pretty simple, but before we go that, let's have a quick physical overview. So on the front we have just the branding, Otterbox, series name, it says sleek protection, and this one is for the Samsung S9 Plus. On the back we have some highlighting features, that's the drop protection, ultra slim one-piece design, and easy on and off. You can buy it from otterbox.com, you can also buy it in India, so definitely give it a try. Now unboxing is pretty simple and this is all we need to do. So here's the first case. So guys, these are the three cases. They're all from the same series, just made of different material, different texture and different colors. And obviously this is the one I really like. Now let's just have a quick physical overview. We have the cutout for the entire camera module on the back, and at the bottom we have the cutouts for the charging port, speaker and audio jack. On the top we have the cutout for the microphone hole. On the right side it is engraved as Otterbox and we have the power buttons. Now under the case we have a nice mesh kind of a thing. On the outside it is a hard shell and inside it has this textured rubber material which will add some protection. Now we don't have that in this transparent case. So these are the three cases. Now let me put on the S9 Plus. So as it said, it's pretty easy to install, but it's slightly hard to remove it, just so you know, and just pop it in, and that is how simple it is to install this case. Now the phone definitely feels quite heavy. Let me just check the weight. So with the case on, it weighs 241 grams and that's definitely quite heavy. I guess the phone without the case weighs around 180 grams. With this particular case it is weighing around 240 grams. It definitely weighs a lot, but if you want the absolute drop protection for your S9 Plus, there's no other way. If you know of any other way, definitely let me know. So anyway, Otterbox is one of the most reputed brands out there, especially in terms of drop protection, and if they could make this thing lighter, that would be fantastic. Now with the case on, I can easily access the fingerprint scanner on the rear. At least I can know exactly where it is because of this notch. And with the case on, even if we put the phone on its face, your display won't get scratched. And because of this rubber material, it doesn't slide off easily. Now that's a great thing, but one thing I really hate is the back. This is a hard plastic case, so it easily slides. And so far that's the only thing I really don't like about this particular case or this particular series. The same thing happens even with these two cases. In this particular aspect, I really like the Defender series case where we get a complete rubberized shell. Anyway, this is what we get with the Symmetry series case. It's pretty good and it can definitely offer you some great drop protection. So if you're looking for something really strong for your super costly phone, definitely consider the Symmetry series case from Otterbox. It also gives us a nice grip to the hand and phone feels complete, like a whole package. Now on the box they say sleek protection, but as you can see it isn't all that sleek. That's because they sell another series case, that's the Defender series case, where it's much more bulky. So compared to that case, this is definitely sleek and still offers us the same level of protection. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to check out other cases from Otterbox, I'll leave a link for that in the description. Do check it out. By the way, if you're planning to buy the S9 Plus, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.